Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, our monitoring spirit today they call BILD, will be a reputable media organization in Germany, is coming outside to let us know that Arsenal is set to launch a bid for Jeremy Frimpong of Bayer Leverkusen. This boy they play fullback, now right back in the play, and this boy is very pacey and very tricky. That is why Arsenal don't identify him, say it will make sense me in with Bukayo Saka dey for the flanks. If these two people dey for the right flank, they go destroy any defense, because that boy even dey faster than Saka from what I see. Because yesterday I just could down go YouTube, go monitor the guy, watch how in the play really, and I was very impressed with the way the guy play for their team. So now the players and the person they say if Saka dey injured, so if you even can't put for that wing role, because the guy they dribble like they play like fullback. He's playing very well. I'm really impressed, and for the fact say Arsenal don't get this relationship, this newfound relationship with Bayer Leverkusen, because we allow Xhaka to go there, so it go dey very easy for us to negotiate for the player. And from what I'm hearing, Arsenal is willing to pay £34 million for the player, which is a good deal. It's a good bargain for us to get that player. And now you know say the perspective now be say, or the perception be say, Arsenal won't carry Ben White, make him go play the centre back role, so that full back role go dey, space go dey there. Initially I think say people won't go sign Cancelo, but I know say Man City go block that move. They don't go like to strengthen us because we are like a threat to them. But small just to watch. If you never watch how this Jeremy Frimpong they play, I'm gonna go YouTube, go watch, and the guy did very good. Meanwhile, our website CHUKS.com is live, so for anybody who never subscribe to our newsletter, so the opportunity there, visit our website, subscribe, so that we deliver news updates directly to your inbox again, so that you have access to everything. About 270 something people, and 50 something people don't subscribe. So make join, just add your email, subscribe, and that's just it. Alright, so Ray Parlour come as I talk about Kylian Tierney again. So Baba Conde of the opinion saying in they very sorry for people like Kylian Tierney, because Tierney is a traditional left back, yet he plays it very well. But presently now, the demands of modern day managers don't they supersede all those oldies. Like most traditional roles are being converted and modernized. So like Zinchenko is the modern day type of player for fullback. Like because you're a fullback doesn't mean you just be there, a static role. No, now it's dynamic. So you have to convert from fullback, go attack, go join there. So that's why I'm saying this sorry for Tierney. If nobody say Zinchenko bring that new dimension, and Tierney will play, but due to the way we set up and play, so Zinchenko brings a lot to the table. That is why Tierney did for the bench. So we call it like appeal to the guy consciousness, say make conscience. Say make the guy chill, make him not come for Arsenal again. May he stay with us. But we all know say Tierney define playing time. But more just watch, and July we did, so August we did, so we know whether Tierney will leave us, and whether we're going to look to sign another new player. But if you want to leave, make him tell us on time. That's the key, so that we'll get ample time to get enough replacements. Now my own concern with that, so we'll just watch. Guys, subscribe to the line of thoughts of our legend. Alright, so one of our community members who they call MC Lecturer. So Baba just send me messages at CHUKS, send me your Azar, make I bless you. So Baba send me 20k to support our ministry. I say Baba anyway with this money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. Senior man, get out. Alright, for those who know they are aware, so today Rice and Timber will hold a medical for Arsenal, so they'll hold a new, they'll get a medical. And today Fabrizio Romano don't talk, and Talksport don't talk, and Sky Sport don't talk, and like everybody that is somebody in the media space don't talk and say today Rice and Timber will hold their medical. So I'm very happy. After the medical photo shoot, the sign pen to paper, then they join the squad. I even see Timber when they come in, they fly in yesterday, over carrying two traveling boxes, not packing clothes come. So I just make it start life for Arsenal. I don't say Arsenal training session now, because I watch them, I see Gabriel Jesus, I see almost everybody. I don't see all the guys here, but I see plenty of people. So the way the training sessions they be, everybody will be buzzing, to be filled with excitement on how the new season will be based on the people who don't enter. You get, so if this ever did, I will scatter now, so it will bubble. Alright, ESPN don't come aside and name Arteta as the 4th best manager in the world, behind people like Pep Guardiola, Carlo Ancelotti, Luciano Spalletti, yes, and the likes. So this one should say Arteta is very, very valuable based on the way we can revive Arsenal and bring Arsenal to where they are presently. So it is not a thing of surprise that he is where he is. So win the league, he go there above that position where they even put him. And let's be honest, Arteta is a very, very the guy gets sense die. Get na see and visionaire. If people we don't play with him, we don't play under him, we tell you if you stay with Arteta like 5 minutes, people tell you about football. You get the way when they see him is different from the way when they see him. You get in they see far, you get the envision, like in team meetings, the way they draw things for, but you go bring some kind of things. So you say you know relate to football, we will come infuse and enter, take and motivate you. Like the guy can use this table now, use and motivate somebody to go score 10 goals. I just like the guy, sha. So it is what it is. I give my prayer for Arteta to say at the end of the day, all this in labor, make you enjoy. I'm not going to win something. That be my own prayer. Now the winnings that go validate you are a good manager, not a good man. You can't be hailed as a good manager without winning anything. So we'll just win something. Alright, so Arsenal don't pay tribute to Granit Xhaka for 297 appearances, 23 goals and 29 assists for what he do for Arsenal. They don't tell him thank you because he has joined Bayer Leverkusen now on a 5-year contract, 21.5 million. So we just thank the guy for everything we really do for us to get. You know, we believe say once upon a time that this same Granit Xhaka Arsenal fans, they tell us making come up for Arsenal and get the collect captain and bam. But look at how Arteta turned the guy life around, you get. They almost wanted to leave when Arteta was coming in. That person said, Baba, come, you get. Anything you don't commit, you don't be my tenor, you don't pass. Let's do a reset, get. Baba just transform and give him that advanced role where you can score goals at plenty, can endear himself into the hearts of the fans. Everybody can love him. So it is what it is. I like the fact that he's going when the ovation is loudest, get. So then you just go enjoy yourself. Our James Benj will be one of the CBS reporters. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Thomas Partey camp don't inform Saudi Arabian suitors. Say the midfielder no they currently look to go their side. Yes. Now Juventus now want them and they say dialogue don't open. They don't open talks to Juventus. They are discussing and from the look of things he wants to go and join Juve. So if you look at this report now, you see say don't be Arsenal they put now this guy really they push to go out and. Personally, I understand where he's coming from. He's a big player. He's like maybe 30 years old or more. He doesn't want to stay on the bench. I understand that because if he stays on the bench for the next 1 year, for the next 2 years, then how you go take go out now? So now you say instead get some energy and stamina. This is the best time for him to move. Get in his own. That's put yourself in his shoes. Get this is the best time for him and his camp. They will not discuss and say, but now the best time for you to move because by the time we start to stay for bench. You no go get playing time, your stock go reduce. People feel no they reason your matter again. So this is actually truth need to be told. This is actually the best time for Thomas Partey to leave. You may not like to hear it, but the truth is the truth. So instead we don't say, once Rice, but Rice medical now today now. Once Rice go enter, if the first 11 team sheet they come outside, a name fee no dey there. Occasionally if it dey, depending on how Arteta wants set up. But traditionally, so one play that one 4-3-3, a name no go dey there. You get so. That's why instead we don't reason now one fight square because if you look at all these reports, oh they hear it's one him and his team and then they push all these things. Not like Arsenal is really like wasn't not yesterday I believe for yesterday where they talk say Arsenal is not actively looking to sell him, although passively we are looking to sell him, but actively we not really put up on market say okay oh Partey you're on the market. No, he's one looking at his options. So anything we don't see, we can tell them Arteta, Edu Gaspar, Richard Garlic and Tim Lewis say Baba see oh, I don't see a new club oh, I want to leave oh, if the money makes sense from what I'm hearing, Arsenal will just consider anything above 30 million. Then if the money makes sense, quite fine and good, we'll collect the money. But if it don't make sense, Baba honor your contract. That's what it will be. Alright, so Declan Rice, they're going to compare him to many Arsenal midfielders. So now Squawker and get these statistics. You're going to compare him to Odegaard, Xhaka, Partey and Jorginho. Though when you check the interception, Baba get like 63, Partey get 28, Jorginho get 9, Xhaka get 15. Then progressive carries. The Rice get 315, Partey 250, Xhaka 146. Then when it comes to assists, the guy get like 4 assists and 2 goals, Partey like 3 goals, no assists. When the guy get plenty assists for him. When he talks about pass completion rate, he has 88%, even above Odegaard's 86%. Now, the reason I'm bringing out the statistics is for you to see the kind of things that we are going to enjoy by bringing Rice and putting him in the first 11. I understand the sentiments involved in Partey. Fine, was one of our best players in the past, but we have to grow. That is why we are moving from phase 3 to phase 4. You must love growth, whether it's painful or not. When you look at the match you played against West Ham, you get Partey versus Rice in the middle of the park. You know what's happened? Maybe Rice collect ball for here, they go scores. So Rice won the battle of the midfield on that day because Partey was not dominant and Rice is very, very physical. It's young. I can't be comparing the player who's 24 and the player who's like maybe 30, 31. You get they are different ends of the spectrum. So more just watch and pray that all the statistics we see at the end of the day, Rice brings it to the Emirates Stadium and does better, because you can't compare a West Ham who always tries to stay in the league with an Arsenal who wants to win the league. The two ambitions, they're different. So it's coming to a place where the standard is set high, the bar is high. We want to achieve and do more. So we expect them to just integrate seamlessly and do very well under Arsenal. Alright, so Emmanuel Petit now come and say I can't urge Folari Balogun to make him leave Arsenal to go develop more, because with Gabriel Jesus, Arteta no go play him as a number 1 because Gabriel Jesus really fits Arteta's style, the way Arteta won't play. So you know go fit play Balogun as a number 1. If you see a number 2 in the fine, they go play. So make him go look for another club who go play. And talking about looking for another club, Balogun and his representatives, they are in talks with Chelsea. Just the reason inside, so whether they go fit carry, because as it stands now, Chelsea no get striker because Lukaku say no one come back. Inter say they want the player, so Chelsea and Inter, they are planning to look at a permanent solution because Chelsea say no more loan for Lukaku. So presently, Christopher Nkunku, when they come, I think he's going to be playing on the wings, because I don't know whether they will play him as number 9. But Balogun self, maybe the one kind of people. When you see Chelsea is like an average thing. They are in phase 1, they are rebuilding. They have a new coach, they have a new crop of players. They don't know which role even fits which player. So where we did, it did different from where Chelsea, because some people will see this news, go say, hey, I talk even at Chelsea define that. No, we are at different ends of the divide. We now we did for phase 4. Chelsea is in phase 1. Hurricane don't come scatter their building. They are starting the building afresh. So they don't put sand, they put stone, they buy cement. They are in phase 1. You can't compare we and the team that finished 10th. The team that is not even in Europe, UEFA Europa Conference League or Europa League. We know they're the same level at all. When we are talking about our rivals, Chelsea are not part of our rivals. For next season, they don't follow. They rebuild. They never know where they did. So my own be say, we just bring the money, make they come sign her if they really want sign her, because him going there, what is even the guarantee that he's going to take the first number 1, you get first team shirts? But I wish him all the best of luck. If really this is going to turn out to become something positive, let them bring money, and I wish him the best of luck. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out.